Hello everyone, good morning to all. I am Ankita Bhagat, your science teacher from Sajanand English Medium School at Narkech. So students, after completion of chapter, now we are going to start the exercise question answer. So the first question in that, what are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as a fuel? So the advantages using CNG and LPG as a fuel are as follows. So the first advantage is in that CNG and LPG can be transported easily through the pipe. It is compressed. It is transported easily through the pipelines, and CNG and LPG burns easily, and moreover CNG and LPG are cleaner fuels than they do not release smoke when burnt. So they both are cleaner fuels. When they are burnt, they do not release smoke. And the next one is CNG and LPG give a lot of heat energy when burnt. Okay. Now the next question, that is, name the petroleum product used for surfacing of rod. So you know very well that bitumen is used for surfacing of rod. The question number 3 is, describe how coal is formed from the dead vegetation and what is this process called. So this process is called carbonization. Now let us discuss about dense forest got buried under the soil due to the natural process. So about millions of years ago, more and more soil got deposited over them, over the dead material, right? And they got compressed more. So these lead to got exposed to very high temperature and high pressure. That's why they slowly got converted into coal. This way coal is formed. So under these extreme conditions, the whole process of the formation form dead vegetation is known as carbonization. So this process is known as carbonization. Now next question is fill in the blanks. The first one in that, the fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas, which is the exhaustible natural resources. It is limited in stock. But the second one is process of separation of different constituents from the petrol is called refining. Is called the process of separation different substances from the petroleum is called refining. Third one in that, least polluting fuel for the vehicle is which one? That is CNG, and the full form of CNG is compressed natural gas, whereas LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. After that, the next question, true and false. First one in that, fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. So answer is false, because it is obtained from the nature, right? It is the natural resource. Now the next one, CNG is the more polluting fuel than the petrol. No, answer is false, because CNG is the cleaner fuel and they produce less smoke as compared to petrol. Now next one is the coke. Next one, coke is almost pure form of carbon. Yes, it is almost pure form of carbon. In that 87% to 89% carbon is present. Got it? Now next we have, that is coal tar is a mixture of various substances. Yes, the coal tar is a mixture around 200 substances. So the answer is true. Now kerosene is not a fossil fuel. Answer is Coals, because kerosene is a fossil fuel. So we get the kerosene from where? We get the kerosene from petroleum, right? And petroleum is the fossil fuel. So we can say that the kerosene is a fossil fuels. But here given the kerosene is not a fossil fuel. So that's why answer is wrong. Question number 6. Explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Why? Because the process of formation of fossil fuels required millions of years. So the process of formation of any fossil fuels, whether it is coal or petroleum, it required millions years. Dead vegetation and animals that get buried deep inside the earth and required the high pressure and temperature for the formation of fossil fuels, and which cannot be done in the laboratory, which is in nature. So thus fossils are limited, therefore the use of fossil fuels at rapid rate will lead to their exhaustion, will lead to their overwork, right? Now, question number 7. Describe the characteristics, the uses of coke. Coke. So, coke is a tough. First one is coke is a tough. Coke is a porous. Porous it means hole in it. And coke is a black in color. And again, in the manufacture of steel, which is used in the manufacture of steel and extraction of the metal. That's why, right? Question number 8. The last question in that. Explain the process of formation of petroleum. Here the answer is dead organism that get buried in the sea and millions years ago got covered with the layer of sand and clay. Due to lack of air, high temperature and the high pressure, this dead organism got transformed into the petroleum and natural gas. So this way the petroleum is formed. So students, write the exercise in your notebook. Now next video we will upload in next session with new chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.